personally like the self, they don't do a credit check and they don't discriminate. The Chime account, they discriminate. If you guys probably have something with check systems, they're going to discriminate and not give you that Chime account. I have not seen self do anything like that. On top of that, that Chime account, that one you have to like move money into it. When I see how they report to the credit bureaus, it's kind of awkward and funky, so I don't like that. When it come down to the self account, you got to secure a credit card and they report to the credit bill brewers. I can't even say their name. Oh my gosh, you guys. But I don't see a problem with it. So I like that self account more than the Time account. But each his own. Tell me what your experience is. Now, let me show you because I was looking up. I was like, let me see if there's something new on the Chime account that I didn't see before. Like, let's see if it's something new here. But yeah, you guys, I didn't see people get denied for this account, you guys. They're saying that they're going to report to the credit bureaus, but I don't know. It's just they don't. It's not as good to me as that self account. That self account is just straightforward. Period. And I guess we can't even compare like this installment account, their credit builder account. We have to compare their secure credit card. Their secure credit card is you get the Visa credit card. You got to put a deposit down on it, but you get the secure credit card and you pay on it, and then you be good. But I like that self account. If you want to compare the two, I like the self more than I like the Chime because I see